Hi, this is Sammie W with Math Help. We want to find the missing value assuming continuously compounded interest given the initial investment of $800 and after 10 years it grew to $2,005. We want to find the annual percentage rate and the time to double in years. Okay, so let's take a look at it. For the sake of time, I've worked it out already. With a problem like this, you want to just work with what you got, work with what you know. We always write the formula. Write your formula down before you do any problem. That helps you remember this formula. By the time the test comes, guess what? You know the formula. So write it down every time you do a problem. That's going to help you out in the long way. That's one of the best tricks I ever learned. Initial value 800, final value 2005, time in years is 10. We plug those all into the equation. All we're missing is R. 2000 divided by 800. We can cancel two zeros. 20 leaves us 20 divided by 8. 2.5. We know that to be 2.5. Okay, so that equals 10R. We have to rid ourselves of this exponential, so we take the natural log of both sides. Natural log of E, we know that to be 1. I think that might be what tripped you up. Given that, write the 1 through it like that, divide both sides by 10. So we have R, do a little algebra here, do a little calculation on the calculator. I come up with 9.16%. Okay, so I'm going to use that to find the time in years for the doubling. Doubling is a 1600. We're going to use this equation again. These things still remain. We're looking for T. R is now given to be this. We plug it in. We're looking for T. Set it up like this because we have a different final value now. Divide both sides by 800. 1600 divided by 800. Cancel off two zeros. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 2 equals this guy. Take the natural log of each side. Okay. We take the natural log of both sides. Then natural log of E, we know that to be 1. So we have the natural log of 2 equals 0.0916 T. Divide both sides by that. We get T to be 7.57 years. They said they wanted in years. So, okay, we can leave it like that. I just did the days on it. Actually, I got 2 different values for this days. I did it 4 times. I did it 5 times. I got this value 4 times. But this is a good enough answer because that's what they asked for. But, here's your conversion factor, something also another tool you're going to always need. So take a look at that if you want. But hopefully that was helpful to you. I'm guessing what you really got hung up on was this ln. And remember, go back if you get hung up on something like that, go back and just review that section. There's only like 3 rules that you usually use for these type of problems, and go back and look at them and fortify yourself, build up your basic skills going forward. Either way, that should be a good solution for you. Hopefully that worked for you. And I'm always here to help. Thank you very much.